to acknowledge our partner from the Philippine Mental Health Association, Sir Christopher Nino, Sir Vince Bansha, one of our speakers is Sir Voltaire from the Philippine Mental Health Association. Ako na sila palakpakan. And because without the Philippine Mental Health Association's partnership, this program will not be viable, and of course, we cannot implement without them.
Health is just as important as physical health. Fact or myth? Very good. Ang atong mental o physical na panguna-una o panglawas connected. Meaning, kung guba imong mental health, lisod mag-atiman sa panglawas. Kung guba sa imong panglawas, lisod sa mag-atiman sa imong mental health. Everyone has strengths. Itatanan na sa strength even if wala makaka-name sa imuhang strength. Naana na siya. Maybe ka-build pa. Okay. So, okay lang ba kung wala pa ninyo nahibalan yung purpose?
Yes.
Okay lang ba kung dili pa mo kailan sa yourself completely?
Yes.
Does it mean that you're mentally ill?
No.
Very good. It's okay to be work in progress. You're growing into your strengths. And ang atong strength, dili lang siya talent nga best in sayaw-sayaw, no? Or mayo mo kanta. Dili lang na siya kanang strength. There are also strengths like staying calm. Strength mo na. Being a good listener, maayo ka maminaw. Strength mo na. Caring deeply for your family and friends, mapalanggaon ka.
By the way, lahi-lahi ka degree. Like, murag tubig sa dagat, no? Katong sa itong paglayag. Na ay times kagagmay lang ang balod, na uban, dagko nga balod. Same gapon na sa stress. Na ay mga stress na manageable. So, like, for example, nahulog mo ang ID, no? Nabilis sa balay. Pwede ka ma-stress, but it's something that you can tolerate, no? Or kuhaan ka, na-stuck ka sa traffic, no? It's a stressor or ang situation na ma-perceive mo siya na stress, no? Or pwede po, worst case, like for example, kanang nabagsak ka sa imong subject, mahadlukay na siya, no? So, again, ang stress is varied, and in terms of degree and seriousness, lahi na siya from one person to another, and even from one point in time to another.